Making money online in 2025 is easier than ever, and I'm here to show you how. Whether you're a teen looking for extra cash, a student saving for something special, or just someone who wants to work from home, I've got 3 amazing methods to help you get started. In this video, we're not talking about boring surveys or endless ad clicking. These are legit jobs where you can make real money and fast. Plus, I'll share platforms to get you started and tips to maximize your earnings. So stick around until the end because the last method can earn you up to $1,500 a month. Before we dive in, quick question for you. Do you like money? Of course you do. So why not hit that subscribe button? It's completely free and who knows, it might just be the first step to your next online paycheck. Plus, you'll be joining a community of smart hustlers just like you. So let's jump in. When you're a teen, flexibility is key. Between school, hobbies, and downtime, it's tough to commit to rigid hours. That's where online jobs shine. You can work whenever you have time, after school, during weekends, or even late at night. These jobs don't require fancy degrees or years of experience. All you need is a computer or a smartphone, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. And here's the best part. These platforms are free to join, so there's no upfront investment. Let's start with our first job. It's perfect if you enjoy chatting and connecting with people. So the first job is all about chatting to help others improve their English skills. And the platform you'll want to check out is called Cambly. Cambly connects English speakers like you with people worldwide who want to practice their conversational skills. You don't need to be a certified teacher, you just need to be fluent in English. And this job is casual, friendly, and fun. So what will you actually do? Well, you'll chat with learners via webcam, helping them build confidence in speaking English. You don't need to prepare lessons or teach grammar. It's all about having natural conversations, like for example, someone might ask you for tips on pronunciation or simply talk about their day. And there are a couple of really cool things about this job. First, it gives you global exposure. You'll meet people from Japan, Brazil, Italy, and beyond, learning about their cultures and traditions. Also, it's really flexible. Thanks to time zones, there's always someone online to chat with. And the best part, Cambly pays you $10 to $12 per hour directly to your PayPal account every Monday. So it's a weekly pay. Now, if you want to maximize your earnings with Cambly, you should pay close attention to what I'm going to say right now. Keep your conversations engaging and friendly. Cambly provides conversation prompts if you ever run out of things to say. And since the more you work, the more you earn, consider picking peak hours when demand is high. Now, if chatting isn't your thing, let's talk about testing websites and apps. The platform I recommend is Trimata, formerly Try My UI. You may be wondering what this actually is. This platform pays you to test the user-friendliness of websites and apps. Companies need your honest feedback to improve their platforms before launching them to the public. And your job will be to explore a website or app while recording your thoughts. For example, if a website's navigation is confusing or if a button doesn't work, you'll voice that frustration. You're essentially acting as a real user, sharing your honest experience. Now, there are a couple of cool benefits with this platform. First, you earn while exploring. Each test pays around $10 and takes only 15 to 20 minutes. If you complete 3 tests in 1 hour, that's $30 per hour. Also, it pays weekly. Payments are sent every Friday via PayPal. And the coolest part is you have free access to cool tech. You will often test pre-launch versions of apps or websites, which can feel like getting a sneak peek at the future. Now, since you will be recording your thoughts, it's good to use a good microphone to ensure clear feedback. Also, be thorough and detailed in your reviews, as higher quality feedback can lead to more testing opportunities. Also, set aside distraction-free time to focus on the tasks. Now, the final method is transcription work. And platforms like GoTranscript and Rev are fantastic for this. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files and typing out what you hear. Think subtitles for YouTube videos, podcasts, or interviews. For example, you might transcribe a podcast episode converting spoken words into text. Accuracy is key. So you'll need to pay attention to every detail, like punctuation and speaker identification. Now, these platforms are really good because they offer multiple benefits. And first is flexible hours. You can work whenever you want, and they offer you and allow you to pick jobs that fit your schedule. Also, they provide steady earnings. Beginners can earn around 60 cents per audio minute, which translates to $36 for a 60-minute audio file. As you gain experience, you can earn up to $1,500 per month. And the best part is that they allow you to improve your skills. You'll improve your typing speed and listening skills, which can open doors to higher paying gigs. Since you'll be listening a lot of audio files, I recommend you invest in a noise-canceling headphones for better focus, and always practice typing to increase your speed and accuracy. Hey, and always double-check your work to maintain a high-quality score on the platform. And here's why these jobs are perfect for you in 2025. And it's not just money. First, they offer flexibility. Work whenever and wherever you want. Also, there are no barriers, no degrees or fancy skills required, just your time and effort. And the best part, you get to build your skills. You'll gain transferable skills to communication, tech savviness, and attention to detail. Plus, these jobs are scalable. The more effort you put in, the more you earn. And let's not forget, you're getting paid weekly, so you'll see quick results for your hard work. Now, no job is without challenges, and here are a few pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, it's time management. And balancing work with school or other commitments can be tricky. So set clear work hours and stick to them. Second is quality over quantity. Whether you're chatting, testing apps, or transcribing, high-quality work leads to better reviews and more opportunities. And third is staying engaged. It's really easy to lose focus, especially during repetitive tasks. So take short breaks to recharge and keep your work fresh. By being consistent and proactive, you can overcome these challenges and make the most of these opportunities. Now think about it. How much could an extra $1,500 a month change your life? These jobs aren't just side hustles, they're stepping stones to financial independence and building skills for your future. So why not start today? If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and hit that subscribe button for more ways to earn online. And let me know in the comments which job you're excited to try. And if you've already started, share your tips with the community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!